In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoice in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to send a polished invoice to your client. Start by heading to squarespace.com and signing in to your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. This takes you to a central place where all your sites live. Next, select the site you want to invoice from, then open it. Inside your site, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel for site settings and tools. From there, click Invoicing. If it's your first time here, don't worry. Squarespace lays things out cleanly so you can set up an invoice in just a few clicks. In the invoicing area, look to the top right and click Create. You may see multiple options. Choose Invoice to begin building a bill you can send to a client. An editor opens with a panel on the right where you'll manage the details. Start by adding your client. You can search for an existing client if you've billed them before, or add a new one by entering their basic information. This ensures the invoice is addressed correctly and will reach the right inbox. Now add the work you're charging for. Click Add Line Item. Type the item name so your client clearly understands what the charge is for. Choose an item type that best describes your charge, like a product or a service, so it's categorized neatly on the invoice. Enter the quantity, then the unit price. Squarespace automatically calculates the line subtotal for you. If you have more than one charge, repeat this process to include each item. When you're done with the current item, click Done to save it. Take a moment to review the invoice on screen. Make sure your client's details, the line items, and the totals look right. If your business uses taxes, discounts, or notes, you can apply those where available, so your invoice reflects your policies and provides any needed context to your client. When everything looks correct, click Send. Squarespace will prepare the invoice to go out to your client, and you'll be able to confirm the final message. That's it. Your invoice is on its way. This simple workflow helps you move from selecting your site to sending a professional invoice in just a few minutes.